Hey everybody, what's growing on at Fort Myer and Sons greenhouses? Well, if you can see back here, we have thousands of beautiful hanging baskets growing on at our greenhouse. Now we start them inside these beautiful glass greenhouses. We bulk them up, we get them just beautiful and full and healthy, build a good strong root system, and then we do something really crazy that nobody thinks we're in our right mind, and we take these hanging baskets and we move them all outside out there to a growing pad, and we finish them off outside. Now, why in the world do we do that? We do it because the best way to grow a good, strong hanging basket is to condition it outside. So those hanging baskets will be outside. Temperatures can drop even below freezing, and then water comes on and it sprays over top of the baskets, forms an ice shield, protects the plant from freezing, and then as it falls, it releases heat and it creates really strong plant growth. Your baskets, when you order them from your school, grown here at Fort Myer and Sons, will be ready for whatever the outdoors can throw at them, because we've already conditioned them to be really strong, healthy plants for you when you bring them home. So that's what's growing on at Fort Myer and Sons greenhouses. Another great reason why you want to support your school's flower fundraiser, because you are going to get great plants and the school is going to make some great profits to help them fund things that they need for students and school activities. Thank you. That's a wrap from what's growing on at Fort Myer and Sons greenhouses.